DRS, sorry, Kilian Antonelli is in that mystery group.